Hi, my name is Sneha Shah. I'm a psychologist and welcome to the Transforming Life series. Just yesterday, I was sitting down and talking to a friend of mine, and she was expressing an argument that she had with her spouse. And she was talking about how hurt, upset that she's feeling because he did not do something that he promised that he would do. So she kept saying that he made me so angry and he hurt me and he upsets me. So as I sat there and I watched her speaking to me, her face animated and filled with hurt and anger and upset, one question crossed my mind, and that was, who gave him the power to make her feel like that? All of us have several relationships in our life which may not necessarily be easy. And we experience a range of emotions as we are in those relationships, which could be anger, upset, frustration, at times even sadness and helplessness. And often we end up saying that my spouse is making me feel like that, my boss is making me feel like that, my mother is making me feel like that, my mother-in-law is making me feel like that. The question that we have for you today is that who is the person who has the power to make you feel the way you feel? Who has the remote control of your life? Today I want to leave you with one thought. Are you willing to take back the remote control of your life? Are you willing to feel your own power? Are you willing to make the choice of how you want to feel in a situation?